The girl who sneezed 12,000 times a day. In 2009, a 12-year-old girl from Virginia named Lauren Johnson made headlines for sneezing up to 20 times a minute, which is around 12,000 times a day. That's a lot of sneezes. Doctors were stumped. They couldn't figure out what was causing it. They ruled out everything from viruses to allergies to Tourette's syndrome. Some doctors even thought it might be a rare neurological condition called intractable sneezing. The sneezing was so bad that Lauren had to stop going to school, and she couldn't sleep properly for weeks. Finally, a specialist figured out that Lauren had a minor tic disorder that was triggered by a sinus infection. With therapy and treatment, the sneezing finally slowed down. But for a while, Lauren held an unofficial world record for the most sneezes in a single day. 12,209 sneezes. That's one sneeze every 11 seconds.